pretty in pain.
So
Thank you.
I've seen them 2 or 3 times.
Bravo.
Wow.
I like it. A lot of our favorite bands are coming touring
Yes.
this summer. Simple
70s,
Minds.
80s.
Like the 80s. Yeah.
80s.
The Fix. Yep. They're coming. Yep. Wow. I know. So
I didn't know
funny.
what I was doing in the 80s, but I'm more
You're
of a
probably-
70s
Well,
music girl.
when was what year was your daughter born? Was she born in the 90s?
96, yeah.
Okay. So, yeah, I don't know, Pat.
I don't know. Oh, well. Too late to figure that one out. Let's talk about some Floralicious.
Oh, my goodness.
First of all, the name, when I had such a laugh when I looked at
Right?
these names. Floralicious, it's a short sleeve dress that on that hot day again, when you're like, oh, I don't even want to go out, the thought of trying to pick out 2 pieces, you don't have to. One piece. Brand new today. Sale
colors.
price will save you $12, but it's just until the end of the day today. So just until the end of the day, price goes up tomorrow. Only order of the year, 3 easy pays at less than $20. So for $19.99, you are getting home something. Look at that.
I'm in love with this dress.
You
The
are gonna
fabric
enjoy.
is like butter.
It
Thank you.
is. Great travel dress.
Luann just confirmed it and added great travel dress.
Yeah.
In case you
Yeah,
didn't hear.
without a doubt.
Love it with that denim jacket.
Yep. Perfect outfit. All right, so here we go. This is called Cherry and Shadow Pink. Cherry and pink, very important, very beautiful.
Very.
Oh, look at that. Dark navy and lavender. Maybe you could get, well, depending on your budget, maybe you
Easter.
could get more than one. I love this. Look at this black and light aqua, and then look at the iridescent, like Aurora Borealis.
Amazing.
You saw that when you were in Iceland,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. I did. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It wasn't as vibrant as
okay.
I had hoped, but it was on my bucket list to see them in Iceland. Doesn't mean I can't go back. But yeah, no, I did see them, and I was very, very moved.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
it was very exciting.
That's like one of those bucket list things.
Yes, yes, it is. And so I love this fabric. You have loved this fabric in other prints and other dresses before. It's a polyester spandex blend.
92 rayon, 8 spandex.
I'm sorry, rayon.
No, that's okay.
I keep saying poly, but it's rayon.
rayon.
This has side seam pockets. It has one length. We're only doing the one length in this, okay? But you know, if you're very petite, you could always trim it because there's no embroidery or detail
Yeah.
at the bottom that would
So
adversely
if you had
affect
to,
that.
yeah,
you
if
had
you had to hem it, you
Right.
could hem it.
Absolutely. But I love these dresses, like you said, one and done.
Yeah, one and done, and you look like $1 million.
$1
and you're
million
comfortable.
bucks. And this fabric, you know, when you, I'm gonna go into my old box of tricks and talk
Okay.
about traveling again.
All right.
But here's the thing.
Lots of people are making plans, or they're already getting ready.
Exactly. And so, you know, the last couple of years, my husband, if we just go away for a couple of nights, he's like, "You're not checking luggage, are you?" I'm like, yeah. So I've learned.
Okay.
Because in Philadelphia, you sometimes have to wait for your luggage for an hour.
Do you really?
Yeah, and he's not very patient. And so we try to limit that.
Right, because you
In
don't
and
want that
out.
to ruin the end of your trip.
Exactly.
Or the beginning.
So the whole point, that roundabout story, roundabout, is to say you want
would
pieces
be
that are
perfect.
versatile.
Yeah.
Right? Throw this on over your bathing suit to go down for breakfast in the morning at the resort.
Yep.
Throw this on to go from your room on the cruise to the pool.
Perfect.
Throw this on with a denim jacket or a beautiful cardigan sweater to wear to dinner. Lounge in this. When I would go visit Jean in Florida, she never had pants on. She was always
She
wearing
was
a
in that
dress.
dress, yeah.
She was always wearing some sort of a house dress, you know, night type thing. So this is comfortable.
This
It's
is the house
easy.
dress of 2025.
Yes.
You know?
But that you're not embarrassed to answer the
Oh,
door.
gosh, no.
To
They
go
used
out
to
to
be
get the
very
mail.
pretty. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
And you could go to the grocery store in this. You could be on vacation. You could, you know, Angel could invite us over to her pool.
Absolutely.
You know, when
When
she
are you
was
coming?
serving, just name the day.
Okay.
I wait till it warms up a little
Okay,
bit.
yes,
though.
please.
I don't like cold
It's
water.
closed right now, so that's understandable. We just had a big chunk of ice on the pool cover from last week. Yeah, no polar plunging in my house.
No,
No,
thank
we
you.
don't do that.
And it's brand new. That's the beauty. I will also tell you something else that I learned in our fashion 360 seminar that we had on Monday that I loved, is you're going to see more and more midi dresses. It's going to move. We're going to all move a little further away from the maxi dress, and we're going to have a midi dress. Now, that doesn't mean we all have to move that way at all.
Right.
But you see where it hits on Luann. And Luann, again, 5 foot.
Almost 10.
5'10". Oh, she must eat her vegetables.
Yep.
I love it.
Her Wheaties.
And what size? Do you have a small or a medium?
But you know what?
Okay.
Again, I could go small or medium in this.
So, and that's what you do, Luann, in
Yes.
Quackers. Sometimes
That's
she
right.
buys small, sometimes she buys medium, and it doesn't really make a whole lot of difference.
Sometimes I will go up to a 2X in these dresses because I'm a little in between a 1 and a 2.
Especially if you're going to wear it
So-
over a swimsuit.
Yes.
You
So
know?
if we're sold out in your size, you could
Yeah.
potentially go up. These colors are absolutely stunning. I've never seen us do color combos like this before, and I'm super stoked for these.
Well, this one is black and light aqua. This is your dark navy and lavender.
So
That
pretty.
is your cherry and shadow
Oh,
pink.
cherry
Price
blossom
going up
season.
at the end of the day. So go ahead and just get yourself something pretty that's going to make you feel young and pretty and
Yes.
comfy.
I love
All
the
right.
dress.